You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people are going to open up good. So today we have some very interesting topic for go now. You see me? So me not even to draw the review yeah, because we have a lot to talk about. By the way, it's your host DJ Chaddy. People call me Chaddy Murray same way. That's why I'm name my channel Chaddy Murray. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you aren't a subscriber. And if you like this video, just leave a like on the video now, man. So today the topics are gonna be Masicka shock fans with humongous. We are gonna talk about that something there. Squash trending video. The man has showed. You know see we trending youth. We can't wait for that. I mean no one can't wait. Same way. What did Dexter Daps squeeze? All of that and more coming up.
The 6 them they are so Larry.
Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
It's exploding right now.
So people, you don't know that song there when I'm trending because me love it, you love it, and me know say you love it because you love dancehall, and from you love dancehall you must love, you know say we trending you unless you're not trend. But anyway still, Squash shoot the video for it weeks after coming out of jail. Check it out.
You hear me? The teacher. You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's something. Alright, let's see me. I want to see me. What on it? iPhone 10X and a Panasonic.
Panasonic.
Right.
Max them out.
Goal.
Yeah, man.
Tell you, iPhone 10 and a Panasonic. Big up yourself for number 6.
Cause Jamil.
I'm here, man. Out here, man. HD family, whole Falmouth. I'm Tony Root. Yeah, here. HD bar, sports bar. Mad.
Yeah man, the music video look like it a go hot. And like how we dey on the whole Squash topic here, guess who shout out Squash? Vybz Kartel. So Vybz Kartel post this interview with Squash did a while back now, and him caption it. Yo, how I caption it? Hold on.
Who is one artist, living or dead, that you would like to collaborate with? I don't know it. Jason to Gaza, one family. Don't know a teacher that. Whole fella. Sit up there. Yeah. So why Vybz Kartel artist? Vybz Kartel on the heart is from young and but DJ.
So under the caption where Vybz Kartel post up the Squash interview of Squash bigging up Vybz Kartel and him post that on him official Instagram page. You see me? Him comment #WorldBoss, #6boss. You see me? So that look like it's going to be a good link up. You see me? The 6boss and the World Boss. You see me? Say you know say everything sign and seal right there. So and don't forget Vybz Kartel is no stranger to Montego Bay, because remember say a Vybz Kartel they do the Montego Bay Empire song there, that song there. Well I don't a Salt Spring. No trust no man.
Boy blood we run and full up a bad van. Shabba with the matic, Dutch with the clutch one. Two bus in a the sky, all the plane dots land. Not nice. Me circle Glen Devon.
You see me? Me not really remember it still, but you don't know that song there. So moving on, because we tell us we have a lot to talk it about. You see me? So, Masicka shock the fans them wicked, including myself with humongous. You see me? Because when him go so booms and launch the cover art and we see that 6 there in there, we swear say him a go do one this song at the 6, you see me? So people, it look like say no clash now go on. Cause Rygin King forward out and say, yo, watch you know, he out here making money. Same the in a clash thing. And right you know, Masicka dropped 2 songs and none of them are in a clash song. You see me? Headshot which me review. You can click the icon up here if you see the review there. And him go so booms and drop that one here now we are gonna talk about. Now humongous, check out the listen the song now man, it name humongous. So tell me if it bad. See a preview here.
You want do this larger than life, humongous. Capture them girl like Columbus. On a billionaire before my thunders. Shot pick out the head like fungus. I'm a larger than life, humongous, yeah. Capture the place like Columbus, yeah. Just to make sure my fans know. Me girl them on my guns now.
So people, it's just a regular song. You see me? Not this, not it. The song bad. Me like it. Me want be large and land life, humongous. capture them girl like Columbus. You see me? It catchy. Yeah, you don't know say a massacre. Anytime massacre go so booms and shoot out some song, most likely them a go shot. You see me? Them half a bad because of him name massacre. So the song bad, the song nice. Tell me your favorite line in a humongous. You see me? I'm gonna play a little bit more of humongous. More live larger than life, humongous. Capture them girl like Columbus.
What them take her? Millennials for do me do it in a tree. She from girl just and push it in a she. In a me bed and me put the be my key.
So people, me do 2 review on the rhythm when named Supreme Rhythm. You see me? And that rhythm is produced by Donwell. You see it? And me I say, yo, you know say the compilation about, you see me? The songs them alright, you see me? But one particular song me never really get to talk about, which indeed are my favorite song on the rhythm. So check out Dexter Daps, Squeeze. Yo, me I tell you say Dexter Daps going on different level. People, wanna pray it.
Pressing hands upon the mirror, squeeze, 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 squeeze. He move my steam dead and operator, see you no bad, you a fake it. Go and play the life safe, me no take it. Blue steel in your mouth and no braces. Beef you want, check up a ties.
Other settings the Dexter Daps go, the man a sing and a kill them. You see me? It's coming like it's a singing gun tune. When me say sing, it means deep singing. Cause you know, Dexter there for the girls, them man. Yo, it bad. Me not tell a lie. So people, you can go check it out for yourself and listen it. But for me, we are past the song here and we are send it a road. And you are going to see me use up the song here more frequently because I love it. Big man level. Out of all of the song them pan the rhythm. And you know say Jaffras they pan it. Popcorn they pan it. Massacre they pan it. You see me? That song they are my favorite song pan the rhythm. Dexter, you gone with it.
Them long time badness played out. Them just got pay more. Pussy up know so when my boss my gun and a tough chat sail out. Wonder which little pick me up come. That's how make you know about J-Lo.
So people, check out Teddy Brookshot in the kitchen and wash rice.
This is how you wash rice. Enough man, throw rice in a pot. You can't do that, you understand? You don't throw rice in a pot, you throw it in the bowl and you wash it. You see that?
Jamaican style.
Wash your rice. Yeah man, I'm in General Teddy Brookshot in my kitchen. In the villa over there, so I'm over here cook some curry chicken and white rice, eh? Because Sunday I have to show him say this is what you call the ghetto, clean people stuff. We are clean. You wash your rice. Alright, when you're done, you dump your water out, see me? And then you see when you do that. Watch this. Look how pretty the rice look. It's clean. Rice clean. Then you throw some more water to get the starch. The starch.
Yo, the man a deal with the rice like say a jeans pants the man a wash. John was star. Teddy Brookshot will make a deal with the rice. So, and then me don't know if I'm me alone spot the Fabulous they and a bleach buckle something they like say in tip some in the rice so wash it extra nice. Me don't know still, but you see me, it that one just comical a serious star. You see. People, check out Lisa Anna versus a cow.
Long way. You're not too long way, no?
Wait, no, man. Hey!
Can't give everything. Give the one now.
Come. So, you know, you're a terrible person.
Me I love song. Me a dub poet. Me a western and me a reggae.
Sing a song. Sing a tune.
What kind of song?
Me don't know you sing, so we can sing it.
A special girl.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, let me know in the comment section if you like them topics here, if you like them song that we talk about, and tell me which song are your favorite song on the Supreme Rhythm, which you can go check them out. Produced by Donwell Production. Why me I give Donwell so much promotion? Me don't know still, but I probably treat him bad. You see it? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And I'm out.
Black man from if you dead point out a wish one. That's a match again. Look how the list long. Black start flick up like a kickstand. When the AK a kick up like a piston. Guess who them finding at the rubbish pan? See him look up where they find him strong.